Namaskar, Tila Pranam and DJF. So we have Professor Uma Nangia from Delhi Technical University और as per government mandate बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम करा जा रहा है जिसको बोलते हैं ज्ञान कोर्स और उसका नाम है ज्ञान कोर्स ऑन रोल ऑफ रिलायबिलिटी इवैल्यूएशन इन पावर सिस्टम प्लानिंग ऑपरेशन एंड मेंटेनेंस. So welcome Professor Uma. Can you please introduce yourself first?
Thank you, sir, giving me this opportunity to talk about my course at your platform. I am Professor Uma Nangia from Electrical Engineering Department of Delhi Technological University. Government of India has taken a big initiative to start this global initiative of academic networks, wherein they are encouraging international experts and faculties, entrepreneurs to get engaged with institutes of higher education so that they can also excel to global excellence, all our Indian academic and research activities. As a part of this, our department has taken initiative to organize this 5-day Gyan course, as you have mentioned, on role of reliability evaluation in power systems planning, operation and maintenance. Here we have invited a foreign faculty, Professor Lalit Goyal from Nanyang Technological University, Singapore. He will be delivering lectures on all the 5 days from Monday to Friday, that is 3rd March to 7th March. And in the afternoon, we will have tutorial sessions where we will try to give hands-on experience to all the participants. And participants, it is mandatory to have 50% participation from outside DTU. So we have circulated this brochure at various platforms, various universities and various industries which are involved in this power systems or related in any way to electrical engineering. I hope that some of you should participate in this because reliability is of course needed in everything, but in power system as it is expanding day by day and you people already know about it. So reliability is a very good measure which is needed in power system operation, planning and maintenance.
Madam,
So
who is eligible? Like, am I eligible to join this course? Is there any criteria for eligibility?
Sir, it is mentioned in the brochure. Anybody who is a student, BTech, MTech, PhD, or executive engineers, scientists, researchers from power sectors, industries, they are welcome to join. So sure, sir, you can join.
So मतलब बीटेक के स्टूडेंट अगर कोई है he can also join, एमटेक का स्टूडेंट है he can also join, पीएचडी का अगर कोई रिसर्च फेलो है आपके लिए भी बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. एंड इफ यू आर अ इंजीनियर वर्किंग इन पावर सेक्टर you can join yourself or you can ask your company or HR department to join the course. And what we will do is हम इसका ब्रोशर इस वीडियो में भी आपको दिखा रहे हैं तो आप उसमें पूरे डिटेल समझ सकते हैं. अगर आपको कोई क्वेरीज है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में हम लोग नीचे आप देखेंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में हम लोग डिटेल्स लिख देंगे. प्रोफेसर उमा का भी होगा और उनके बाकी टीम मेंबर्स का भी होगा. सो इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज यू कैन जस्ट कनेक्ट विद देम. व्हाट जो कोर्स कंटेंट जो मुझे दिख रहा है उसमें बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट और बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें हैं. एक तो नंबर 1 है इंट्रोडक्शन टू रिलायबिलिटी इंजीनियरिंग एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी थ्योरी. And then I see reliability of engineering processes, probability, distribution in reliability evaluation techniques for various systems, power system reliability, planning criteria, loss of load, energy methods, reliability evaluation of interconnected power system and distribution system reliability. So डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और ट्रांसमिशन के दोनों के इंजीनियर्स ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. मैडम इसकी ना फीस कितनी है इसमें?
जी सर, इसमें अगर आप रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या इंडस्ट्री से हैं तो सर इट इज ₹2,360 इंक्लूसिव ऑफ GST.
Right.
And if you are a faculty from academic institute, then it is ₹1,180. And if it is they are students, then it is 590 for general category and 295 for SC/ST students.
That's excellent. So with this such a small fees, you can learn from an international faculty.
And sir, tea and refreshments and lunch will also be provided.
Okay, all right. So this small. ये तो फिर आप जब लंच करने भी अपनी फैमिली के साथ जाते तो कभी बर्गर खाने भी जाएंगे तब भी इतना खर्चा हो जाएगा. and
जी
you will
जी
get lunch and snacks and meet such a wonderful people over there. So look forward to see you all again, and look forward to interacting with all of you. So Uma madam, आप कुछ और बोलना चाहते हैं?
नहीं सर, थैंक यू सो मच. I look forward to participation from your group, those who are connected, because I see they are into real engineering, involved in transmission and distribution of networks. I
Excellent,
look forward
excellent.
to see.
So I will request my team members to share it on in all the WhatsApp groups and LinkedIn channel and Facebook channel. So with this, happy learning, happy networking.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, sir. Thank you.